Hello guys, and welcome to the 6th video of the HTML tutorial series. In this video we're going to cover text formatting. Now, what is text formatting? The best way to explain it is to actually do it. I'm going to delete everything. I'm going to type in text formatting in HTML. Text formatting. I know how to format text in HTML, and right here I'm going to add some text. Let's add 3 page breaks, and let's go on and add a paragraph with some text. Type in what I type, and we're going to add formatting right after. This text is bold. You probably already know what bold is from Microsoft Word or anything else. Let me zoom in a little bit. And right now we are going to see this in action in HTML. So let's cut and paste it inside. Let's save and refresh. But to see the actual difference, this text is plain. Let's add some plain text. This text is plain and this text is bold. Alright, you already know what bold is. You can see it. I don't have to explain anything else. Now, other than bold, there are many other formatting types. For example, I'm sure you already know italic. Well, B is the formatting attribute for bold. I, as you have probably already guessed, is for italic. So if I save, this text is not bold, it's italic. Let's save, and here we are. But what else do we have? I want you to copy it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. And I want you to change the last word according to what I type. This text is emphasized. This text is marked. This text is small. This text is deleted. This text is inserted. This text is subscript, and this text is superscript. Let's delete this one. Did I forget anything? Oh, yep, I did. After bold, we got strong text. So let's go ahead and change everything. The element, the formatting element for strong, for important actually, yeah, let's leave it at strong. For strong is strong. Alright? If we save this, this is how strong looks like. It is like bold, but it is more important. Alright, we already have italic. Emphasized is E and M. It is like italic, but more important. So we have bold and strong, with strong being more important, and italic and emphasized, with emphasized being more important. So if you want your text to be important and be given higher importance, let's say, okay, while indexed by search engines, you have to set it as strong or emphasized. If you just want to change its formatting, use bold or italic. So marked, you have to type mark. Let's go ahead and save and see what happened. Wow, this text is marked. It's a highlighter. When it comes to small, yep, small. Let's save this. Yep, and it is a little smaller than normal. When it comes to deleted, it's just del, and inserted is ins. Subscripted is sub, and superscripted is sub. So let's save it and refresh. So let's see what has happened here. We have several formatting types. We have the plain text, which has nothing at all. We have bold text. We have strong text, which is bold with higher importance. We have italic. We have emphasized, which is italic with higher importance. We have marked text, which is highlighted. We have small text, which is a little smaller than normal. We have deleted text, which has a deleting line over it. We have inserted text, which gives us the illusion that there was, let's say, a space where text was to be inserted, and it has been inserted. We have subscripted text, which has to be seen next to normal. Same for superscripted, so that you can understand the difference. Subscripted text is positioned lower than normal text, and superscripted text is positioned higher than normal text. Alright? This is just visual. Everything is visual except emphasized text and strong text. Alright? Everything else is visual. So let's go again over everything once more before we end this video. We have plain text. If we do not add anything, this is how it is displayed. We have bold text, you know what it is. We have strong, which is bold but more important. We have italic. We have emphasized, which is italic but more important. We have marked, which is highlighted. We have small, which appears smaller. We have deleted, which appears deleted, stroked out actually. We have inserted, which is actually underlined. We have subscripted, which is positioned a little lower and a little smaller. And we also have superscripted, which is positioned a little higher and is a little smaller. Actually, it's about the same size as small text, if not the exact same, but positioned higher or lower. Okay, that was pretty much it, guys, about formatting. In the next video, we are going to talk about quotations probably. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in the next video.